I've been using this AOHI Future AI 280 watt 6-port USB charger for the last few weeks, and it's replaced a whole pile of separate chargers for my drones, cameras, MacBook and various other bits of tech. And honestly, the biggest difference is just how much tidier my desk is. Instead of having loads of different power bricks plugged in over there, I've now basically got one central charging station that handles everything. So let's have a closer look at what it is, what it does, and how well it actually does it. Hello and welcome to the Whirly Bloke channel. So this is a 280 watt desktop charger. It's got 6 ports in total. You've got 4 USB-C ports across the front here and 2 USB-A ports along the side, and this little button's for doing various selection things. And importantly, this whole thing supports the newer high power PD3.2 charging standard. It's got this very nice display on the front. Now, this port here, port C1, can deliver 240 watts on its own, which is fairly spectacular, to be honest. That's using the PD3.2 quick charging protocol, and these 3 ports here can deliver up to 140 watts each, and then you've got 2 lower wattage USB-A slots on the side, and it balances that 280 watts around all these 6 ports. Now, I'm not going to go too much into the technical side in this video because I've done a proper full bench load test over on my Whirly Bloke Tech channel, including testing whether it can really deliver the claimed 240 watts from this C1 USB-C port, and to see if we can actually get 280 watts displayed on there, the same as what's advertised on the box. I'll put a link in the video description below so that you can go and watch that if you want to. But from a real world point of view, this thing has genuinely been very useful. For example, let me just zoom out a bit for you. So for example, I've got a MacBook over here, which I can plug into port C1, and there is a companion app which I'll put up here somewhere so that you can actually see what's going on. It just mimics what's going on the display, but you're not going to be able to see that whilst I've got everything zoomed out. And I can plug in a camera battery charger over here, which is all good, and that seems to be working very nicely. Get that in there if we can. And now I've got a 240 watt USB power bank which I can plug into there. That seems to be working nicely as well. What have I got here? What's this? Let's make this a little bit tidier. Got an iPhone here which I can plug in, and that's ticking along quite nicely. There we go, and I can plug that battery charger back in there. And I've got over here my Mavic 3, which I can plug in as well. And if we look on the app, you can see that that is all working very nicely. Now, obviously, this is complete overkill if all you ever do is charge your phone. But if you've got a desk full of tech, it actually makes a lot of sense, especially if you're charging drones, cameras, laptops, power banks, you know, all the usual sort of stuff. Especially if you want to charge it all at the same time. Now, the price on this is $169.99, or about £125 in the UK, direct from the AOHI website, and I've put links in the description so that you can check out availability and the latest prices. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I have done a full technical review over on my Whirly Bloke Tech channel where I properly load test this thing and verify the actual power output from these ports. So if you want the more nerdy technical side of things and see if this can really deliver its claimed 280 watts, I've left a link to that video in the description below. And please like and subscribe to that channel as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.